Hey, the way to really look at improving your rent and stuff of that nature is cleaning it nice. I mean, going with one paint white makes it look a lot bigger than it is. Sometimes it's just nice and roomy, and you offset it with the gray luxury vinyl plank, and it really opens up a room. It really looks good. We did that with this house. This house had carpet and some other stuff. It wasn't super nice. And we also like to add those LED lights, which makes it a lot brighter in here. You can see all these nice floors here. So again, when you're looking at doing real estate, make sure all the handles match too. They all match. If they don't, then that hurts it a bit. And then we did that. And make sure when they do the cabinets, they do the inside of the cabinets also and put new hardware on that matches the rest of the house, stainless steel. So when you're looking at doing any kind of rental property, you can save a lot of time and money with doing them correctly. This one was done on really good lower budget. We've had this one for a long time, and putting in the luxury vinyl means that they don't have to worry about flooring for around 6 to 8 years. I mean, it's just a really nice floor. We actually buy it from Sherwin-Williams. So again, this is your tip of the week, so to speak. And again, I appreciate you. And this stuff is really, really good. And again, if you want more rent, make them look open, put some fresh look into it that doesn't cost a whole lot of money, and see what happens. Your rent will go up. I'm Brad. I'm with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Check out my websites below and see how I do my business. If you need real estate in Cleveland, Ohio, let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.